Good morning, students. Welcome to the digital learning class, to the 4th standard social studies class. In last video, we have learned 7th lesson part 1. In that video, we have learned food crops and cash crops. In this video, we shall learn cash crops, methods to improve agricultural production, 7th lesson part 2. First we see jute. Jute is used to many items. Jute is also cash crop. It is used to many items such as bags, jute bags, ropes, carpets and other things. Jute cultivation needs hot and humid climate to grow well. This crop is largely cultivated in West Bengal, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam and Tripura. West Bengal is the major jute producing state in India. Now comes tea. Tea also cash crop. Tea is perhaps the most popular and widely consumed beverage in India and the world as well. Tea crop needs a hot and wet climate and ample rainfall. We therefore notice a lot of plantation in Assam, Karnataka, Kudremukh or Ooty, in Kerala, Munnar, in Tamil Nadu, Nilgiri district and Himachal Pradesh. Now comes coffee. The coffee crops too need a hot and wet climate and fertile land. We find many coffee plantations in the south of since it needs a hotter climate than tea. Coffee plantation under the shade of big trees and grows rapidly. There are many coffee plantations in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Now comes rubber. Rubber is also an important cash crop. Rubber is an important material for many industries. It is largely cultivated in the state of Kerala in India. Rubber is used for many things such as erasers, rubber bands, tires and tubes, etc. Now comes spices. Spices are very popular worldwide for their taste and aroma. In spices, first comes pepper. Pepper means kali mirch, cardamom, yalaki, chili, turmeric, nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon and ginger are grown in Kerala and Karnataka. These spices specially grown in Kerala and Karnataka in India. Now comes fruits and vegetables. First we will study about fruits. See students, a large variety of fruits are grown in India like mangoes, bananas, guavas, grapes, watermelon, pineapple and apples. Additionally, papayas, jackfruits, pomegranates, peaches, pears, strawberries and dry fruits like almonds, walnuts and apricots are grown in India, in many states of India, but some names are here. In Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Now comes vegetables. A wide variety of good quality vegetables are grown across the country. These includes green leafy vegetables such as fenugreek, methi, Spanish palak, mustard beans, green, red, yellow capsicum, cabbage, cauliflower, snake gourd, bottle gourd, pumpkin, French beans, fuller beans and lady's finger means bhindi are grown in our India. Now comes improving agricultural production. How can we improve our agricultural production? See students, agricultural production can be improved by using good quality seeds. We should use good quality seeds in our fields and modern implements, natural fertilizers and modern farming techniques. A large amount of crops are destroyed by insects and pests. Every year, a large amount of crops are destroyed by insects and pests. Prevention measures can avoid damage and destruction of crops. Like tractors, harvesters, using chemical fertilizers cause long-term harm to the crop. So, we should use, see students, Using chemical fertilizers cause long-term harm to the crop. So we should use organic matter made from animal and plant matter. Must be used to improve the fertility of soil. Manure also provides ample nutrients to the crop. Students, manure means cow dung. Cow waste we should use in our fields. It provides ample nutrient to the crops. So students, here is finished our 7th lesson, our crops. Thank you. Have a nice day.